Most go high level websites are invisible in Google. The business owner don't know why they're not getting traffic and why their website is not ranking on Google's. The reason behind that, they don't have SEO. They don't know how to do go high level SEO. So if you're watching this video, you're on a right place. In this complete course, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your websites and how you can get rank and what basic factors you need to take care of go high level website to make rank and basic steps as well. So in this course, I will guide you step by step, and we will take a live case study of website, and we will start doing the SEO, and we will ranking them websites live in this video, and we will do complete on-page technical and off-page SEO strategy as well on go high level websites. So without wasting time, let's dive into first lecture, in which I will give you complete introductions of course and how we can proceed and what things we are going to learn. I will guide you step by step in this video. So here is the all step what you are going to learn in this course. So first of all, we will set up your go high level websites with search engines, like we will submit into Google Search Console, Bing Search Console, and Yandex, and all other search engines as well. We will do some research of keywords. We will update your meta title, meta description, settings, and content inside your go high level websites. And we will handle all your technical SEO parts like speed, sitemap, mobile and schema markup, mobile optimization and schema markup as well. And then we will work on a local SEO, and we will create your Google My Business. We will link with your go high level websites, and we will take review from your Google My Business to your websites, and we will make some trust. And we will track results with Google Search Console or Google Analytics 4, and audit any site and report result of your clients, of your competitors, and I will show you step by step how you can audit it. So this is a basically course index, and here is what we are going to learn in these 12 modules. In first modules, we will learn what is SEO and how is different SEO from WordPress in go high levels, and how you need to link your go high level site with your domains, and what things we need to take care of searching keywords. And we will do some on-page SEO, we will do some on-page SEO content, we will do some technical SEO, we will do some local SEO like GMB, NAP, consistency, locations, pages, reviews, and everything we will discuss about it. And we will make schema structures and data structures, tracking analytics. We will install Google Analytics, and we will do some search console like Bing, Yahoo, and also Google Search Console as well. We will add some blogs as well that will be help you to rank, and I will let you know how you can optimize blog and how you can publish on go high levels. So we will do all those things as well. Full SEO audit, we will do complete audit of any website, any of your competitor go high level websites, and I will guide you step by step. Then we will make a report of monthly reporting and scalings and how it works. Then we will do all those things. So yeah, that's it from this video. These are basic things I'm just going to discuss about my course, and in the next few videos we are start building them and optimizing our go high level websites, and we will rank them on the top of Google's. So without wasting times, and you can just simply jump on leadsflex.com and book your free consultation if you need any go high level website related SEO things, or if you have any questions, you can just simply go in leadsflex.com, book your free consultation, and link in description box below as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.